Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Touring Reviews. In this video we are going to have a look at Revelate Designs Shrew. Shrew is a saddle bag which attaches only to the rails of the saddle. This made me very interested in seeing how this works because I wanted to be able to use this saddle bag on multiple bikes, be it carbon seat post bike or a dropper post mountain bike. This is why I think this could be a good bike for multiple bikes. First of all, we are going to look at some dimensions of the bag, then to some design elements, and then I'm going to fill the bag up with the things that I'm going to carry on almost all the rides, and then we are going to install it on a bike. Here I have my tape measure, and as you can see, the length of the bag is around 13 inches or 33 centimeters. And in terms of width, we have around 6 inches or 15 centimeters. In terms of volume, the bag is 3 liters, can hold up to 3 liters. And in terms of attachment to the rails, we have these kind of rubberized straps with some support here, so they will hug like this the rail, and then we will have this part over here with which is going to come like this, and then the metal piece will come and secure the bag in place. As you can see, when that happens, the bag shrinks a bit. So we are going to place the things inside and then mount. Okay, so now we are going to fit the bag with these items that we have here. We have 2 spare tubes, tire levers, an emergency tire boot, glueless patches, pump, mini tool, and a jacket. So first we are going to start with the spare tubes. I'm going to try to place them on each side of the bag. Then in the middle, the tire levers, the glueless patch, and the tire boot will be placed there. Actually, I'm going to place the tire levers on one side of the bag so that they are not always in contact with the pump. So the pump will go in between the 2 spare tubes. The mini tool will go on top of the pump. So far it looks like this, the bag. So still a lot of space to carry various items. In this case I'm going to put a jacket, but we can also place sandwiches or food if needed. Okay, so everything fitted pretty snug. This part here, not much of it will be useful because we need to roll the top in order to close it. So that will work something like this. And then attach the straps. So this is it. Very nice fitted. And now let's install it on the bike and see how that goes. Here we are with the bike. So in order to install it on the saddle, this loop is going to come like this over the saddle rail, and then this part here will have to go in the loop, and then the metal clip will close, and this is how it's going to be attached on the saddle. So let's, by the way, in order to open it, we'll have to press on the top part, and as you can see, the distance is shrinking between the two and the metal clip opens. Okay, so now to install it on the saddle, I'm going to put both straps on top of the saddle rails, and then it's kind of narrow under the saddle, but nevertheless can be installed pretty easy. Okay, so now here okay, so on both sides it is attached on the saddle, and now we can tighten it so we don't have any play. Okay, so this is how it's looking on the saddle. As you can see, it's pretty secure. And if you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.